did it go?
Oh, very poor.
Very poor?
Very poor indeed, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go again.
Yeah.
Do it.
Take 2.
Let us say
She's always... She just...
I don't know.
Always looks different.
Sorry, it's me again.
Hi.
Sorry.
Joanna, this is...
Tim.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Tim is a total stranger whose mother's name is Mary.
Yeah. I just had a weird experience with Mary here of thinking she was someone else, but she wasn't. But I just wondered if I could walk around with you for a while. Because my sister Kit Kat is about to leave.
Yeah.
I'm about to be quite lonely.
I think we should probably say no.
Oh, no, yes, but on the other hand, he's got a quite nice smile and sort of, fun hair.
But you have to promise that you are not one of the following things. 1, a lunatic.
Yeah. No.
2, a fringe fetishist.
I'm just Kate Moss's #1 male fan.
Do you agree that the magic of her lies in her history? The informality of her early shots compared to this stuff, so you just always know that despite the high fashion, she's still just that cheeky, normal, naked girl on the beach?
Couldn't have put it better myself. That's absolutely it. I agree with that profoundly.
Huh.
No, you don't have a boyfriend.
Do I not look like I'd have a boyfriend? Do I look like I'd never get a boyfriend?
No, that's the rudest thing I've ever heard.
No, I didn't mean it like that. I just didn't expect. Is it quite a new boyfriend?
Yes. Yes. There he is. Rupert.
Sorry I'm late with my dad.
Well, this is Tim, and we don't know him at all.
I was thinking we could take in a film after this. Get some mixed popcorn, share a coke, snuggle.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
When did you two meet? Exactly.
Well, it was only a week ago, actually. It's all been a bit of a whirlwind, isn't it, Pooch Face?
I'm gonna have to teach you what you can and can't say in front of people.
No Pooch Face.
No, definitely not.
Come on then. More details about this wonderful first meeting.
Okay. It was, Joanna?
June 17th.
Yeah. And, Joe was having a little party.
A living hell from which Rupert, thank God, rescued me.
And where was this terrible party?
Oh, my brothel of the flat.
Which is where, though? That's the question, isn't it?
What are you, a detective?
No, sorry, I've just got a very visual imagination. I like to imagine stuff completely.
26 Courtfield Gardens, SW5.
SW5.
Around 8:30.
8:30.
Dress code, slotty. Will that do?
Absolutely, yes. Although I am wondering when you got there, Rupert. Early? Late?
On time, I think. The true love was calling.
I actually feel a bit sick now. Just these muffins, I think. Never trust a blueberry.
Oh.
Okay, I'll be back in a tea. You two are such a lovely couple.